students, welcome to my channel Fluent English Language and Spoken Classes. I am Professor R. Kumar and I have brought a very interesting video today about narration. Today you are going to read narration based on exclamatory sentences. Actually, narration that is based on exclamatory sentences is little more difficult to the students, and you can very simply and easily get it if you watch this video till the end. You can see two sentences here, two direct narration I have written here. First one, he said, what a tall tree it is. Reporting verb said, it indicates that you have to change the tense here. Reported a speech, what a tall tree it is, contains exclamation mark. This is exclamatory sentence. So, okay, you have to write indirect narration for this question like this. Say, you have to change into exclaimed with surprise, because this is surprising one. Any exclamatory sentence that ends with exclamation mark inside quotation mark, you pay attention that you have to change the verb here said into exclaimed with surprise. So, what will be your answer? He exclaimed with surprise that. Remember, you also have to use that whenever it is necessary. That is simple for you. He exclaimed with surprise that it was a tall tree. You have to convert this sentence into affirmative again. Exclamatory sentence you have to convert into affirmative one. So, how many changes are required? Changes. Number one here, said, exclaimed with surprise. Exclaimed, V2, second form of the verb. With surprise, 3 words you have to use. And that also is necessary to add here. That it was a tall tree. Because this is exclamatory, I have changed into affirmative one. Second sentence, the poor man said, "Alas, I am ruined." This is also exclamatory sentence. In this is reported a speech. You can notice a word of exclamation. This is exclamatory word. And there are many other exclamatory words which you may find in the question of direct narration. So, you need strongly to replace these exclamatory words with proper words required to them. Like I have written some words which are very important and frequently used for direct narration. How to change them? It is, you can see, wished. So, wished that. Hello, that is greeted with. Good morning, bid, that is bidding because. My God, these two words give idea of surprise. And well done, it is praise, admiration. Good heaven, you can see here horror showing, exclamatory words. Whereas that is exclamatory word to show joy. My goodness, this is used to show surprise. Here you can see anyone given in direct narration, LIC or you have to think it is expressing sorrow. Bravo, approval or encouragement. Oh dear also shows sorrow. For goodness sake, it shows anger. Means you have to replace this word, and in place of this you have to use this. Likewise, you have to replace these words and you have to use this. Same, you have to replace and you have to use wished. You have to replace hello and you have to use greet. If your sentence is past tense, greet will be greeted, bid will be bid, B-A-D-E. My God, surprised, if it is past tense, surprised you can use here. So this is important for you, very important for you, because you have to replace these words of exclamation. Exclamatory words you have to replace, and in place of that exclamatory word you have to use these words which give proper sense. Likewise, you can see here alas. So this is sorrow. So what should be done? Said. You have to replace this and you have to write the poor man exclaimed with sorrow, because this is the word of sorrow. So here you have to use exclaimed with sorrow. Exclaimed with sorrow. Is okay? And after this you have to use that plus that. I am ruined. This is present tense. So you have to change into past, because your reporting verb is past tense here. Reporting verb is that is past tense. You are looking, you know about this. You have to read in previous videos. And this you will change. I am ruined. This pronoun is standing for the poor man. That he was ruined. So once more for you, exclamatory sentences given inside quotation mark and ending with exclamation mark, it is easier. It is very easy. Only you have to use surprised word here. Exclaimed with surprise. He exclaimed with surprise. Exclaim word is frequently used in direct narration containing exclamatory sentence. Exclaimed. Yes, you remember this. Exclaimed with surprise. This is surprise. Maybe joy. It is depending upon you. What you feel after reading the sentence. What do you feel about this man? He says, what a tall tree it is. Maybe he is surprised, maybe he is very happy. In this sense, you can write, he exclaimed with surprise, or he exclaimed with joy. That, I told you, THAT, it is necessary to use. He exclaimed with joy that. And now this sentence, exclamatory sentence, you have to change into affirmative one. Affirmative you have seen in my past video. I told you how affirmative sentences can be formed. That it was a tall tree. For the second direct narration, you see there is one exclamatory word alas here. And if such question is given for direct narration, you need to convert such exclamatory words with proper meaning, and that exclamatory word you have to remove. I told you, said here. For example, alas is given. So what is the word standing for? It is standing for sorrow. So these you have to replace and you have to use sorrow. It is okay. So what will be your answer? The poor man exclaimed with sorrow. Exclaimed with, you have to use here. S-A-I-D you have to remove. Exclaimed with sorrow. Sorrow is coming in place of ls. And plus that also you have to use. I told you. The poor man exclaimed with sorrow that I am ruined, given here. He was ruined. Present tense changed into past tense because reporting verb is past tense. General rules of narration you have to follow for interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, everywhere. General rules of narration that also are used. You should not forget. So these words you have to note down in your copy, and whenever you are changing direct narration into indirect, you will use proper words carefully. However, practice for this part of narration is strongly required for your better concept. Some questions I would like to write here and explain so that your concept will be very rich and clear. The players said, bravo, we have won the match. I have written one example, you can see here. The player said, bravo, we have won the match. You can notice reporting verb is past tense, so you need general rule you have to follow here, that tense will be changed. Secondary, you can see here, this is exclamatory sentence because it contains exclamatory word bravo. You also have read that the word will be replaced here. What will be actual words or correct word for bravo? Exclaimed with joy. This is joy showing word. Exclaimed with joy. And sentence you have to write into affirmative one. So your answer should be the players exclaimed with. This preposition is frequently used with joy. This word has been used in place of bravo, you can see. Exclaimed with, we are removing said and using here joy. So the players exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. You can see the players exclaimed with joy that they had won the match, and exclamation mark is removed and used full stop. There is nothing difficulty. It is clear. Exclamatory word you have to remember how they can be removed, with what words or word they can be removed. I had written previously, you have seen, you have noted down surely. Now second example. She said to me, hello. What are you reading? This particular example I have written for you to show a new thing. You can see, although this is exclamatory sentence, but it also contains question. Your question mark here is, you got it. It is also giving the idea of exclamatory sentence. So what should be done? For this case, I will explain you that you have to use both ideas of exclamatory sentence and ideas of interrogative sentence. Both you have to use here. Let's see, a hello word you have to remove, and in place of hello you have to use another word. So what do you think for the correct answer of this question? She greeted me. I am removing these two words and directly I am using the proper meaning of the word hello. Greeted, which is word of greeting. Greeted me. But I also have to care for the interrogative sentence given here. So further I will use and asked, because this is interrogative. You have read about interrogative sentence previously, you know about it. And asked, now you have to convert this interrogative sentence into affirmative one. What I was reading. Once more, she greeted me and asked. Greeted, it has been used in place of hello. Asked, it has been used in place of said to. Because this is interrogative sentence, we have to care for both exclamatory word and here interrogative sentence both. She greeted me and asked, because first she greeted, you can see here, then she asked the question. So she greeted me and asked what I was reading. What are you reading? Present continuous. It is changed into past continuous here. About this you are familiar. Previously I have explained. Now I will write here two questions for you so that you can write their answers in comment box. The child said, how beautiful the rainbow is. This is one question for you. He said, alas, the poor man is dead. So these are two questions for you to write in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for updated videos. Share it to your friends, family and relatives. Like it, and if you want to see the previous videos, you have to go to link box. Thank you.